A historic move was made in North Carolina today, an effort by the United Church of Christ to overturn Amendment 1.
That's the state's constitutional ban on same-sex marriage that voters passed in 2012. News 13's Frank Crocker is streaming live from First Congregational UCC in Asheville. Frank, how is that downtown church involved?
Well, it's one of the plaintiffs listed in the federal lawsuit filed against the state, along with two members of the congregation. Now, this is the first time the First Amendment is being used to try to make same-sex marriage legal.
It is time for this to change.
The announcement came in Charlotte this morning that a challenge to Amendment 1 had been filed in the Western District of Federal Court. The focus of the lawsuit is based on the First Amendment, the claim that North Carolina's same-sex marriage ban robs clergy of free exercise of religious beliefs.
And if you perform any kind of ceremony for an unlawful marriage, you are committing a crime.
Some of it's ritual, some of it's about community, and some of it is really about equality and justice.
The Reverend Joe Hoffman is senior minister at First Congregational United Church of Christ. He says he's proud UCC is taking the lead in a legal push to overturn Amendment 1.
My denomination and my local church empowers and authorizes me to marry same-sex couples or straight couples. That this law is discriminatory against me, so I don't have religious freedom.
We appreciate what UCC is standing out. This is a big step, and it's a step of faith, and it's a huge thing.
Kathy McGoy and Diane Ansley were engaged outside their church just yesterday, and today became part of the effort to make their marriage legal in the same place.
And that's what's important about this, to get this done where we can be married in our home, in our home state. In our home church, in this beautiful church.
And Reverend Hoffman wants to be the one who ties the knot here. He believes it will happen.
I do feel a lot of hope. I think there is a good chance that Amendment 1 is going to fall sooner rather than later.
As far as a timetable regarding Amendment 1, what may happen next, it could hinge on a case that's also being heard up in Virginia. And we're going to talk more about that coming up on the news at 11 o'clock. Reporting live in Asheville, Frank Crocker, News 13.